Welcome to Insect Facts. Today, we are talking about all the amazing things insects do for us and how they help our planet so much. First up, let's talk about spiders. Even though they can be a bit spooky, spiders are super helpful. Our first big fact is that spiders act like nature's pest control, getting rid of pesky bugs like mosquitoes and aphids that bother us. Next, let's look at the busy little ants. Ants are amazing cleaners because they help get rid of trash and waste on the ground. Plus, they are incredibly strong, and an ant can carry things that weigh many times its very own body weight. Now, let's say hello to the buzzing bees. Bees are famous for helping to pollinate plants and flowers so they can grow, and they also make that delicious, sweet candy honey we love to eat. Even caterpillars do their part after they turn into beautiful butterflies. Once they grow their wings, they fly from flower to flower, helping to pollinate plants just like bees do. Do you want to know a popular animal that loves to eat these insects? The bird. Birds love to snack on bugs to keep their own energy up. Finally, let's look under the dirt at the wiggly worms. Worms help the earth by eating fallen plants and leaves. As they do this, they break everything down to make the soil super fertile and healthy for new plants to grow. Insects might be tiny, but they have huge jobs that keep our world beautiful and clean. Which of these helpful little critters is your favorite?